Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to achieve this Jumbo Triangle Box Braids. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to do so and to click on the bell notification to be notified every time I post. Every product I used in this video will be listed in the description box. So today I will be using the rubber band method. So I'm gonna start by combing out my hair and brushing them down and make sure to have clean triangle parts. So first I'm gonna do the front part because I want a side part, so I'm gonna do that and make sure those two parts are away. And then I'm gonna start with the back. And every part that I'm gonna do, so every triangle, I'm gonna put gel before I attach the part with the rubber band. Now with the rubber band, make sure it is not too tight to prevent your hair from breakage and from damage. Once all my parts are done, I'm gonna start doing my box braids. So before I start braiding, I'm actually gonna apply gel all over my hair to kind of like sleek them down so that they can go into the braids even more smoother and I have none of my hair sticking out of the braid. Then I'm gonna stretch the extension hair to make the ends really smooth. Then I'm gonna split the hair into two sections and then I'm gonna put one section over the other and I'm gonna start braiding with my real hair. So as you can see, the braid is like when you put the section over the other one, you basically start to braid as if it was your own hair. I will be showing you more than once, so if you have any questions, further questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. Also, I use the color 33 for the back and I use the color 30 for the front. once I am done all my braids, I will add some braid jewelry, and then I'm gonna do my baby hairs.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, 'cause love it leads to touch it.
I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next video.